Good morning, students. In last session, we saw the problems on matrix multiplication. Okay. Today, we will continue the problems depending on the concept matrix multiplication. Okay. See the problem here, students. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a equals to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. They given the matrix A and they ask for the this value a square minus 5a plus 6i value. Okay. So first find the a square. What is that? A into A, matrix A into the matrix A itself. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Again the same matrix. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay. So what is the product here? A square equals to first row with the first column of the another matrix. 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 1. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1. That is 1. So 4 plus 1. That is 5. Okay. Next, first row with the second column element. 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. First row with the third column element. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 3, 0. 1 into 0, 0. So what left here? 2 into 1, that is 2. This value only. Okay. Next, second row with each column of the next matrix. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. 6 plus 3, that is 9. Next, second row with the second column element. 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3 becomes minus 2. Okay. Second row with the third column element. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 0, 0. So 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay. Next, third row with each column value. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into 1 is 0, so it is 0. Next, 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. 0 into minus 1, 0. So we will get the minus 1 here. Next, 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0 into 0, it is 0. So 1 minus 3, it becomes minus 2. So you got the a square. Just substitute a square 5a plus 6i in the given equation value. That is, now a square minus 5a plus 6i. So what is the result here, students? A square is we already obtained. 5 minus 1 2. 5 minus 1 2. 9 minus 2 5. 9 minus 2 5. 0 minus 1 minus 2. 0 minus 1 minus 2. It is a square value minus 5 into a. What is the given matrix A? 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, first row elements, and 2, 1, 3, second row element, 1 minus 1, 0. It is a third row element. 6 into I. So what is I here? It is the identity matrix. Of what order, students? In last session only I said, in the given expression, if identity matrix is exist, you have to consider the order of that identity matrix same as that of the given matrix A. So here matrix A is of the order 3 by 3. So I also 3 by 3. So 6 into the 3 by 3 matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. Okay, now do the calculation, students. Here writing the a square as it is. 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. So minus keep as it is. So multiply 5 with each element. 5 into 2 10, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5. So 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 1 5, 5 into minus 1 5 minus 5, 5 into 0, it is 0, plus 6 into each element. 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So now the actual value of the a square minus 5a plus 6i. See friends, 5 minus 10 plus 6 minus 5 plus 6, that becomes 1. 5 minus 10 minus 5 plus 6 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 0 minus 0, so you get the minus 1. 2 minus 5 minus 0, so minus 3. Okay, got the point? How you are getting this answer? 9 minus 10 minus 1 plus 0, so you get the minus 1. Next, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Minus 2 minus 5, because minus is here. Minus 2 minus 5 becomes minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6, that is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 6 becomes minus 1. Again 5 minus 15 minus 10, again minus 0, so you get the minus 10 here. Next, 0 minus 5, so you get the minus 5. Again it is 0 here, so just minus 5. Minus 1 minus of minus 5 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 0, that is 4. Minus 2 minus 0 plus 6, so you get the plus 4. This is the matrix what they asked. Okay, note down, students. Okay, next important problem, students. If A equals to the matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3, they give the 3 by 3 matrix. Prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equals to 0. Okay, already you did this kind of problem in last session. Okay, so here they given the a cube. So how to find the a cube? First you have to find the a square. Okay, then you have to find the a cube by a into a square. Okay, so see here, students, a square equal to a into a. So what is a? 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. The same matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Okay, so a square equals to, again a 3 by 3 matrix. Yes, 1 into 1, that is 1. 0 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4, that is 5. 1 into 0 0, 0 into 2 0, 2 into 0, that is 0. 1 into 2 2, 0 into 1 0, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8. 0 into 1 0, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 2 2. So you get the 2 here. Next, 0 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 0 0, so you get the 4. 0 into 2 2, 0 into, sorry, 1 second. Okay, second row, third column. 0 into 2 0, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 2 plus 3, that is 5. Third row with each column of the next matrix. 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6. So 2 plus 6, that is 8. 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 3 into 0, 0. Next 2 into 2, 4, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 4, that is 13. 9 plus 4, that is 13. Okay, so we got the a square. Now what is the thing? You have to find the a cube. Just I will write here only, students. 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13, a square y. So now we will have to find the a cube. Now we will find the a cube. So how to find the a cube? A cube equal to a into a square. So what is A? The given matrix 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3. What is A square? It is the matrix 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. So do the calculation now, students. First row with first column element 1 into 5, 5, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 8, 16, 16 plus 5, that is 21. Next 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 4, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 8, 8, 0 into 5, 0, 2 into 13, 26, 26 plus 8, that is 34. Okay. Second row with each column of the next matrix 0 into 5, 0, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 8, 8, 8 plus 4, that is 12. Okay. 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 4, 8, 1 into 0, 0. So you get the 8. 0 into 8, 0, 2 into 5, 10, 1 into 13, 13, 10 plus 13, that is 23. Okay. 2 into 5, 10, 0 into 2, 0, 8, 3 into 8, 24, 24 plus 10, that is 34. Next, 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 4, 0, 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 8, 16, 0 into 5, 0, 3 into 13, 39. 39 plus 16, that is 55. So you got the a square and a cube. So just substitute those values in this given expression. So what is that? That is the LHS part. LHS equal to a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i. Okay. So what is a cube here, students? Already we find, that is 21, 0, 34. 21, 0, 34. 12, 8, 23. Next 34, 0, 55. Minus 6 into a square. That is a square is here. 508. 508. 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13 plus 7 into the matrix A. What is the given matrix? 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3 and plus 2i. What is I here? I is the identity matrix of the order 3 by 3. So you get the 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the expression what you have to write here. So first, write the a cube as it is 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55. So minus as it is, just multiply the positive, keep minus as it is, 6 into each element of the a square. So what will get here? 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 0, 0. 6 is 48. Okay. Next, 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 8, 48. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 13, that is 70. Sorry. Yes, 78. Okay, 13 6 78. Plus 7 into each element of this matrix. 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 14, 0, 21. Again, plus 2 into each element of the identity matrix. That is 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. This is all the matrices are in the simplest form. You have to do the calculation now. Just observe the thing here, students. 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Okay. Plus 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 21 is 30. 30 minus 30, that is 0. Okay. We'll write it. No problem. Space is here. So 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. This is the first element. Next, 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So you get the 0 here. Okay. Next, 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Okay. Next, 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, finish. 8 minus 24, 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. Okay. Next, 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. Next, 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Okay. 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. It is 0. 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. This is the result here, students. So just observe the thing here. What will get? Plus 21 plus 9, 30. 30 minus 30, 0. It is again already 0. 34 plus 14, that is 48. Plus 48 minus 48, it is 0. The first two all entries are 0. So plus 12 minus 12, it is 0. Here, keep minus 24 as it is. Plus 14 plus 2, plus 16 plus 8, plus 24 minus 24, 0. Similarly, 23 plus 7, 30. 30 minus 30, that is 0. So here, 34 plus 14, 48. 48 minus 48, 0. This is already 0. So 55 plus 21 plus 2, that is 78. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 8, 5 plus 2, 78. So 78 minus 78, 0. So this is 0 matrix which is equals to RHS. This is the 5 marks important question, students. Just observe the calculation neatly. Okay. Write it down. Okay, next problem, students. If A equals to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. Find K so that A square equals to K minus 2I. So if you observe here, k into a square means you will get that a into a. You may think k into a, k may be a matrix. No, it is not a matrix here, students. K is a certain scalar quantity. Okay, because we know the matrix is denoted by the capital letters, but here they mention small k, so it must be a scalar quantity. Okay, sometimes they may not mention the I also. Just they give the a, find k, so that a square equal to k minus 2i. So what order you have to consider I? The same as that of the matrix itself. Okay, so first find the a square. First find the a square. So consider of a square equal to a into a. So 2 by 2 matrix, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So what is the answer here, students? 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 into 4, 8, 9 minus 8, that is 1. Okay, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, you will get the minus 2. Next, 4 into 3, 12, minus 2 into 4, 8, 12 minus 8, that is 4. Next, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4, 8 minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. We will get the a square. So now consider a square equals to ka minus 2i. What is a square here? Just we find out it. 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. So k into the matrix A, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, minus 2 into I, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, write the a square as it is. 1 minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equals to, multiply k with each element of this matrix. 3 into k, minus 2k, 4 into k, and minus 2 into k, minus 2 into each element of this matrix, that is 2, 0, 0, 2. So now a square as it is, the LHS part, 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equals to, okay, can I make the difference of these two matrix? Yes, because it is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix, order is same, we can make the difference or addition of the corresponding elements. So 3k minus 2, this is the first element, 3k minus 2, minus 2k minus 0, that is minus 2k. Next, 4k minus 0, that is 4k, minus 2k minus 2. So again observe the matrix here, matrices here, students. It is 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. Both are of same order. Both are of the same order. Therefore corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Therefore 3k minus 2 equal to 1. Next, minus 2k equal to minus 2. Next, 4k is equals to 4, and minus 2k minus 2 equal to minus 4. Just solve these equations, students. 3k equal to minus 3, can we write? Sorry, plus 3. Okay, minus 2 transfer to the RH side, plus 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Okay, so k equals to 1. So here in this equation we will get the k equals to 1. Just try the another one. Minus minus get cancelled, means minus 2 minus 2 both will get cancelled. So k equals to 1. Here 4 get cancelled. So k equals to 1. Here minus 2k is equals to minus 4 plus 2. So equal to minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So here the k equals to 1. So ultimately in all the 4 sessions we got the k equal to 1 only. So this is the value. Note it down, students. Okay, next problem, students. If A equals to matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2, then show that I plus A equals to I minus A into the matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Okay. So consider the LHS part here, students. First, LHS equals to I plus A they given. So what is I here? That is a matrix of order 2 by 2, identity matrix of 2 by 2. Sometimes they may not mention this line also, because whatever the matrix, given matrix is there, that is the same order you have to consider for the identity matrix also. So what is that? 1 0 0 1 plus what is A? They given 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0. So what is the result here, students? 1 plus 0, that is 1. 0 plus or minus, that is minus tan alpha by 2. So 0 plus tan alpha by 2. So tan alpha by 2. 1 plus 0, that is 1. This is equation number 1. So what is the next thing here, students? The RHS part. What is RHS? That is I minus A into the cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Next. So I is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, and A is the making the difference of A, that is 0 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 0 into the matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So here what we get here? 1 minus 0, that is 1. 0 minus of minus, that is plus tan alpha by 2. Okay. 0 minus of tan alpha, that is minus tan alpha by 2. 1 minus 0, it is 1. So again next matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. This is the open result. Now do the product. Okay, 1 into cos alpha plus sin tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha. So plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. The first column element are over. Next 1 into first row with the second column. 1 into minus sin alpha, that is minus sin alpha. Tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha plus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2. Next minus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha, that is minus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2. 1 into sin alpha, that is plus sin alpha. Next, minus into minus plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. 1 into cos alpha plus cos alpha. This is the product result. Okay. So what is the next one you have to do here, students? What is the next thing you have to follow here, students? Just take the cos alpha in terms of sine. Multiple and submultiple angles formula already you learnt in the first year. So if cos 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha has the 4 kinds: cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, 2 cos square alpha minus 1, okay, 1 minus tan square alpha, 1 plus tan square alpha. All the 4 kinds of formulas are there, but here we need in terms of sine. So what is the result here, students? 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus sin alpha can be written as 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2, and tan alpha by 2 can be written as into sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. This is the first result. Okay, first value, first row, first column value. Next, here minus sin alpha is there, cos alpha is there, tan alpha by 2 is there. So first write the sin alpha formula. Sin 2 alpha you know, so just make the half. So you get the minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 into tan alpha by 2. Again here minus cos alpha is there, so write in terms of cos, minus into bracket 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 into tan alpha by 2 plus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Okay. Next, another one, this one, sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. Write this in terms of sin. 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 whole divided by cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha in terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2, bracket closed. Just observe the thing here, students. What will get here? Okay. So now just observe here, cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2 get cancelled. Here cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2 get cancelled. So what is the result here, students? 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2, 2 sin alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 plus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So minus and plus value get cancelled. We get the result 1 here. Okay. Here minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 plus 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus 1 tan alpha by 2 is there. Okay. So just observe the thing here, students. What will going to be get cancelled there? If you multiply with this value, if you multiply with that value, what will get here? Minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, 2 cos square alpha by 2 into tan alpha by 2 will be there, no? So tan can be written as sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. Cos and this cos will get cancelled. You will get the 2 cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 plus and minus will get cancelled. Again minus 1 into tan alpha by 2 will get the minus tan alpha by 2. Okay. Next, here 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. The same thing what we did here, you have to do the same thing here, students. So minus 2 into sin alpha by 2 into tan alpha by 2. So tan can be written as sin by cos. So cos will get cancelled. Minus 2 sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 plus minus get cancelled. Minus into minus plus. So plus tan alpha by 2. Again here cos get cancelled here. 2 sin alpha by 2 sin alpha. 2 sin square alpha by 2 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So we get the 1 here. Just observe this one, whether this RHS is same as that of LHS or not. Okay? Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. This is the result. This is a formula based question, students. Just a little lengthy. This calculation is lengthy, but if you know the formula, it will very easy. Okay.